the highest vibrational field. Welcome back, Star Seeds. Before we get started, please don't forget to subscribe and also check out my description below for free moon reading and free prosperity birth code reading. Let's begin. The concept of dimensions beyond our physical reality has fascinated humans for centuries. While the first three dimensions are easily perceivable in our day-to-day lives, the higher dimensions require an expanded perspective and an openness to new ideas. The ninth dimension, in particular, is a topic that has gained popularity in recent years, especially among those interested in spiritual growth and quantum physics. In this video, we will explore the concept of the ninth dimension and its significance in understanding the highest vibrational field. We will also discuss the importance of exploring higher dimensions and expanding our consciousness for personal and spiritual growth. The ninth dimension is often described as a realm of infinite possibilities and the highest vibrational field. It is a dimension beyond our physical reality and can be difficult to conceptualize using our limited third-dimensional perspective. However, there are certain characteristics of the ninth dimension that have been discussed and debated by spiritual seekers, quantum physicists, and metaphysical researchers. One of the most notable characteristics of the ninth dimension is the concept of nonlinear time. In this dimension, time is not experienced as a linear sequence of events, but rather as a multidimensional web of potentialities. All possible timelines and outcomes exist simultaneously, and the individual has the ability to tap into any point on this web of possibilities. Another important characteristic of the ninth dimension is the concept of infinite potentialities. Here, anything is possible and all realities exist as potentialities waiting to be actualized. In this dimension, the power of manifestation is at its strongest, and the individual has the ability to create and manifest anything they desire. A third characteristic of the ninth dimension is the awareness of all that is. The individual in this dimension has a deep understanding and connection to the infinite intelligence and consciousness of the universe. They are aware of the interconnectedness of all things and the underlying oneness that exists in all of creation. Finally, the ninth dimension is often associated with non-dualistic perception. In this realm, the concept of duality is transcended, and the individual is able to see beyond the illusion of separation between themselves and the external world. They recognize that everything is one, and that all is connected in an intricate web of energy and consciousness. These characteristics of the ninth dimension represent a glimpse into a reality that is vastly different from our own. While it may be challenging to fully comprehend this realm from our third-dimensional perspective, exploring these concepts can help us expand our consciousness and move towards a greater understanding of the interconnectedness of all things. The role of human consciousness in accessing higher dimensions. Human consciousness plays a vital role in accessing higher dimensions, including the ninth dimension. The human mind is capable of expanding beyond the limited perception of the physical world and accessing higher states of consciousness. It is through meditation, mindfulness, and other spiritual practices that we can train the mind to access higher dimensions. Meditation is one of the most effective tools for accessing the ninth dimension. Through meditation, we can quiet the mind and connect to the higher self, which is the gateway to higher dimensions. When we access the higher self, we can tap into the infinite potentialities of the universe and manifest our desires. Mindfulness is another effective practice for accessing higher dimensions. Mindfulness is the practice of being present in the moment and fully engaged in the present experience. It is through mindfulness that we can develop a non-dualistic perception, which is a key characteristic of the ninth dimension. By practicing mindfulness, we can expand our awareness and access higher states of consciousness. The ninth dimension is a realm beyond what we can physically perceive, and it is home to a variety of beings that exist on a higher level of consciousness. These beings are often thought of as guides or teachers for humans who are seeking to expand their own consciousness and reach higher levels of understanding. Here are some examples of ninth-dimensional beings. Angels and other spiritual beings. Angels are often thought of as messengers from the divine, and they are said to exist in the ninth dimension. They are often depicted as beings of light and are said to embody qualities such as love, compassion, and wisdom. Other spiritual beings such as ascended masters, spirit guides, and totems are also thought to exist in the ninth dimension. Extraterrestrial life forms. Some people believe that extraterrestrial life forms exist in the ninth dimension, and that they are capable of traveling to other dimensions and even other universes. These beings are often thought of as advanced and enlightened, and they are said to be able to communicate with humans through telepathy and other forms of extrasensory perception. Ascended Masters and other enlightened beings. Ascended Masters are beings who have reached a state of enlightenment and have transcended the physical realm. They are said to exist in the ninth dimension and are often thought of as spiritual teachers and guides. Other enlightened beings such as bodhisattvas, gurus, and mystics are also thought to exist in the ninth dimension. It's important to note that while these beings are often depicted in spiritual and religious traditions, there is no scientific evidence to support their existence. However, many people find comfort in the idea of higher beings guiding and supporting them on their spiritual journey. In conclusion, understanding the ninth dimension and higher dimensions in general is important for personal growth, scientific advancements, and a deeper understanding of the universal order. The characteristics of the ninth dimension, including nonlinear time, infinite potentialities, awareness of all that is, and non-dualistic perception, offer a glimpse into the vast potential of the universe. By understanding the role of human consciousness and the potential for accessing higher dimensions, individuals can tap into their own spiritual awakening and open up to new possibilities. Whether it be in the form of angels and spiritual beings, extraterrestrial life forms, or ascended masters, the existence of ninth-dimensional beings opens up a world of possibilities. It is important to continue exploring and researching higher dimensions to unlock the secrets of the universe and continue our personal and collective evolution. Thank you for watching Starseed TV. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you with love and gratitude. See you in my next video.